Hello, in this video we are going to cover assignment operators. So what I'm going to do is create a variable. I'm going to call it var1 and I'm going to do, let's say var1 equals to 6, equal to some mathematical operation like 6 plus 7. Yeah, why not? We'll do this. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Okay, so that's one form of assignment operator, which we've already done when we looked at variables. We didn't quite cover it there explicitly, but we have used it. Another assignment operator is one where you basically compound an arithmetic operator along with the assignment. So let me show you something. So if we have var1, so it's 13 at the moment. So if I do var2, then var1, what we can do, we can, let's say, if I want to add 5 to var1, you could do var1 plus 5. So we get var1 as 13, then var1 equals itself plus 5, which is 18. So if we print it out, I'll print it out at two different locations. So print var1, print var1. And if we run this, let's see what we get. Okay, so it's 13 and 18 as we predicted. There's actually a shorthand way of doing this. So you can do var1 and you can put plus equals 5. So what this is saying is var1 equals itself plus 5. That's that is this right here is the equivalent of what we just wrote here. And it's a lot simpler. And if we do print var1, just run it just to make sure. So we should get 23 in this particular line now. Yeah, so 13, we add 5, then we use the assignment operator which helps compound it, and that now equals 23. I know what's going through your head. You might be thinking, if we've added a plus here, could we do the same with minus, with times? And yeah, you can do that the same with literally all of the arithmetic operators, down to the modulus, the exponent operator, and even the floor division operator. So as an extra task, I want you to go through all the arithmetic video again if you haven't already done so. Have a look at all the operators and change it into this sort of format, so you're modifying the variable but without having to do this longhand way. So that's it for assignment operators. Thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.